You rolling? Yeah. Oh, welcome back. Today it's Benno's bike check. I'm gonna put him to the test. Gonna be lots of distractions, a few obstacles for him. But yeah, claims to be the best rider in Aussie Steez. We all know who's the best. I've said that many times. Done this. It's like. Throw one more. I'll actually lay you out. I'm here as a highly requested Benno bike check. Let's go, baby. I don't know what to say. Do I just start? Got here. We've got what? Black ODIs with the We're not gonna be able to do this. Get your head out of the Yeah, all right. So we got the black ODIs, the default Skatepark setup. Then we got these Kink Solace bars, freshies. Broke my other ones. And then we've got the cheap Sunday Freestyle just off Lux. All right. We've got the Odyssey headset, which is actually broke on the inside, but it still works all right. I'm running the Odyssey R25s. I actually got the wrong forks. I was meant to get the 32s, but we're running the 25s anyway. All right, run down to these. We've got just the default Maxxis grifters because, yeah, they're my boys. I love these guys. And then we got the, just the Colony Complete wheels with the Colony Contour rims laced to the hubs. They're the Colony Wasp hubs. They're pretty cheap off Lux. That's where I got them from. Good price. And then I've just got me purple caps. I've run these forever. They're me guys. Due to the sweet tooth breaking, I'm now running a BSD Freedom frame, Chris Kyle's signature. It's a pretty sweet frame. We got the Alex Himes sweet tooth seat. Beaver, stop ruining the jumps, come on, man. All right. And then we got the BSD XL Substance cranks in chrome. They're pretty sweet, pretty nice. Odyssey twister pedals just because I'm tight and I don't like splashing out on money. And then I've got we got the Defiant sprocket here at 25 tooth. It's pretty nice, and yeah, that's my bike. That was so shit. Yeah, so I just got the build. I'm gonna take the whip for a bit of a spin now. Yeah. You know what else was twisted? That landing didn't work.
You know what else is twisted?
New line, man.
Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna be.
Parko update video coming soon. He's nervous.
I'm not nervous.
He's scared.
My mate Ray's no.
Like facing that way. And then pop on both pedals up there, roll in, then just crank. Don't do it if you don't want it. You'll get over it.
That's easy.
Dude, what are you doing?
No, I
You scared for your bike? Mate, it's not living. Yeah, man. Nice. I thought that was a nose case to death.
They make him bigger, honestly.
When are you back on the bike, fella?
Oh, that was a preview. Give it another week. Should be good to go.
Alright, stay tuned for the return of Parko. You've been waiting for it, you've been asking for it. He's coming back.
Bro, you should at least hold your bike.
Yep. Mate, his... Yep. He's been cleaning his bike for like 20 minutes, man. It's a dirt bike. Dirt jump bike. Dirt... Oh, shut up.
Yo, Mike, check. Yeah, I can right here at KFC, getting a feed. Then we're gonna go to the park. Might not be doing much because of collarbone, but I'll still send some stuff.
Easy. Parko thinks he's actually quick on the bike around the bowl. Parko, you reckon you're quick?
Can we get a timer? Oi! Chicken man! Chicken man! Who do you reckon's gonna win?
You.
Yeah! You hear it?
But Benno's got the timer out now. Alright.
You're going first. Oi, Rocco.
Alright, I'll go first. You hold the mic.
Is that like a radio?
Mate, look how slow he's going already. There's no way. Oh my god, he's lost a lot of speed from there. Pumping like a little wimp.
That's not how a wimp pumps.
Nah. Nah.
Time here, what is Parkinson's gonna do?
Alright. What's the time? What's the time? 14.48. Are you rolling? Yeah, I'm rolling. 14.48. Look at where he's rolling in from. He's starting outside of the skate park. Alright, he's dropping in. You know which way to go, bud? Don't rig the time, Benno. Fuzz the heats. Alright, that's best out of 3. That was the first heat. Alright, we're just going to do some without the times. And in the comments, you guys decide who was quicker. Well, I'm going to be quicker.
On the side, I still do have a broken collarbone. And Clancy's going to get flogged. What do you want me to say? Oh, yeah, thanks for coming. Good game. Clancy, like...
Give me that. Alright, we keep going. We know this was a mistake that Parko won. That is clearly something's gone wrong. Benno has rigged it. And we're about to do some What?
I've seen sore losers before, but like, I don't think this is real low from Clancy. I reckon he needs to know his place and just...
He's dropping in. He actually is not bad on the corners. Oh, he's actually doing not too bad. Still not up to my standard. He's pretty slow.
Yeah. So thanks for coming. Great win. Bro. This is actually a joke. Can't believe he's not even trying to compete against me. Here we got Parker going in. He's going very smooth around this corner. He's going very far. There we go. He's going around. He's going around again. He's going around. He is going up the vert. What's he going to do out the bowl?
360 up that. Now I'll give him this. This is worth.
It's just a 360 up a euro. I got this. Should I just send it first, T? Oh shit! That was just a warm up. Don't. Oh, I meant to do that.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
What we need to do is build a dirt landing here.
Legit, I reckon we cover this whole section from there to here, like in a layer of dirt.
No, we need a landing. I don't like that flat landing. I hurt my nuts.
Yo!
Shout out to all the fans. Shout out to this guy. Dude, this is so sketchy.